Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to hide apps on your iPhone. First things first, what you can do is remove them from your home screen. But don't worry, because you can still access them in your app library. To do this, what you can do is hold the application that you want to hide. And what this will do is show different options of what you can do to the application. Press Remove App and it will show another option of what you can do to the application. Select Remove from Home Screen. And the application that you have removed will no longer be visible. To open up the application you've hidden, swipe across to bring yourself to your app library. Search it up in the type box above. And there you have it. If you want to add it back to your home screen, hold the application once more, and what this will do is show you a selection like before. Then press Add to Home Screen. And that's it! You can now hide apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!